Enjoy English process. Yes, you heard me right. Why it is important, why it is crucial to enjoy English journey? Because we are a Hindi medium student, and in village side no anyone can give you environment, English environment. That's why we need to enjoy our English journey. Yes, you heard me right. So first thing we need to do, listen one story, English story according to your interest. Just listen and try to explain in front of mirror. While explaining a story, you have to enjoy the process, and what you speak, just enjoy the process and speak with naturally. Okay, this way you can try to uh, enjoy your English journey. Same like just pick up any small sentence which is uh, you don't know, just pick up and start saying again and again. Wow, it is a very beautiful day and I enjoy it. Start again. Wow, this is a very beautiful day, I like it. And again different types, different way. Wow, today's weather very cool and I really enjoy this. Wow, this way just try to say different way and start enjoying the process, English process. Oh my god, today is very hot day. Oh my god, weather is very cool and wind is blowing very cool. I like it, this nature. I like it, this greenery. I love it. This way just speak. Whatever you doing not matter. If you just doing any kind of work, then start saying I'm doing this work, I'm doing that work, and I have to do this work, I have done this work. This way just start saying and start enjoying the process. Oh my god, today I learned one page. Oh my god, today I learned one page. Oh, I today I got many vocabularies today. Wind is very cool and I feel like dance. Weather is very cool. Oh my god, this is a very beautiful and very enjoyable nature. I want to dance in this beautiful nature. This way just start explain your thoughts. Start explaining your thoughts. Whatever you do not matter, just say your feelings, start explain all it. Okay, this way you can try to enjoy the process, because English process, if you not enjoy, then there is a many chances to quit this journey. Because if you not enjoy the process of learning, then it would be very difficult for improve your English language. That's why we are need to enjoy the process. Okay, and start explaining the natural things, the universal truth. Start. Okay, explain. Same like I'm sitting in my roof, and you can see behind me two trees and the greenery, and sky is very clean, and birds are chirping, wind is blowing, and I feel very energized. you know this way you can try to explain your thoughts, what you feel, and this way you can make your English journey interested. Okay, so while explaining your thoughts, you can feel. English is not a very boring language. English is very beautiful language, and we need to learn English language because everywhere using English language. Okay, so if you want to improve your language, then just try to enjoy the process. And if you got any new sentence, if you got any new uh, grammatical structure, then start write down your hand and um start reading again and again, and start making new sentences, start making different sentences. Okay, so I think I think, in my opinion, this way we can improve our English language very easily. That's why I suggest you, okay? And if you get at my point, what I try to say, then it is very good for you. And just try, okay? You should try to improve our English language, and don't feel about that English is very boring language. Why we need to learn English language? Our mother tongue is beautiful, English is not beautiful. So I think if you only just make excuse, okay? And in my opinion, while making excuse, learning English language, it would be very difficult, okay? So don't say negative words, don't say negative words, just think positive, okay? Because negative, if you think negative, then everything will be going to negative way. And there's you may uh, and you may be the quit the journey, okay? So I think just we need to think positive way. If you think positive way, oh my god, today I learn one sentence properly, and I'm able to make many sentences. Think positive way, then you will feel, oh, English is very interesting language and I love to speak English language, and it is need to learn. English is very beautiful language, and if I speak English language, then how would be the expression, my family expression, my child expression, my husband expression. Just think about your dream. If you get your dream, then how would be the situation, how would be the your expression, your feeling. So just think about the positive way, don't think negative way, okay? And try to do many and try to do many different things, and every day you have to take one small task and try to complete the task after passing the day, okay? And enjoy the process. And what is the need to just see yourself in mirror and start saying, I am very beautiful, I speak English, I am able to speak English confidently, I can speak, I want to speak. And English is speaking my dream, I want to become a fluent English speaker. English is very good language, English very beautiful language. This way, just try to motivate yourself every single day in front of mirror, okay? And after saying these types of sentences, these types of word, then you will realize, oh, today I can speak English little bit. This is important. I learn so many things today. So this way you can try to improve your English journey. You can try to just interesting your English journey, okay? So believe yourself and trust the process, okay? Enjoy the process. This is matter a lot. So friends, what I wanted to share with you, I all explained it, and if you get at my point, what I tried to say, if you, then please like, share, subscribe this video, and we'll meet till the next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.